Hi, I'm Mark from Painter's Voyage, and this is an unboxing video of Ohuhu 36+1 brush tip marker skin tone set that you can use for drawings like these. So let's see what's in it. This is my second purchase from Ohuhu. Both were directly from their website, but it was this order that redirected me to Amazon, which is great since they can easily ship worldwide using international depots. Mine arrived within 3 days. And here it is. I knew that the larger sets come in these sturdy nylon bags, so I was extremely pleased to see that they use these cute tiny ones too. This is like Christmas, even though I know what's in there. Whoa, they're so beautiful. I could kiss them all day. Ew. Let's get to business. The first thing I should mention is this thin plastic sheet that you put in between your papers to prevent bleeding. Very important. Another thing you may notice is the color coding and a name on each side of the marker. And even though they may not look like their skin tones, just because the color caps look nothing like skin, I know, don't be fooled. Watch the next step where we'll see what every marker actually looks like on paper. This is the color swatch that will show you the real palette of this set. Then we have this handy brochure with FAQs and some basic info. What I recommend and enjoy the most before starting any project with these markers is filling in the swatch. It's also very satisfying. I don't know why, but it really is. But it's somewhat hard for me to compare it to anything. Well, I will speed this process up so you don't get bored. You should try to see what the marker looks like when a single and multiple layers are applied. Very important. Yes, it does make a difference. And the last one goes, oh yeah, right here. Over here you can see the actual palette with a single layer and a multiple layer applied. In total, there are 3 markers within the brown shade, 8 in the red. Those 6 blurry ones in the back are yellow, 18 yellow reds, 1 warm gray, and 1 clear blender. Stay messy, and thanks for watching.